Today we are going to learn essential everyday French phrases together by describing a real daily routine. Stay with me until the end because these are phrases that you can use every day. Let's begin. Aujourd'hui, je me réveille à 7 heures du matin. Today, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Je me lève tranquillement et je prends mon temps. I get up calmly and I take my time. D'abord, je vais à la salle de bain. First, I go to bathroom. La salle de bain. Bathroom. Je me brosse les dents et je me lave le visage. I brush my teeth and I wash my face. Les dents. The teeth. Le visage. The face. Ensuite, then, je prends une douche. I take a shower. Une douche. A shower. Après la douche, after the shower, je me sèche les cheveux et je me répare. I dry my hair and I get ready. Je me coiffe. I do my hair. Et je me maquille légèrement. And I put on the makeup a little. A light makeup. Puis, je m'habille. Then I get dressed. Je mets un pull parce qu'il fait froid dehors. Un pull, a sweater. Il fait froid dehors. It's cold outside. Je mets un pull parce qu'il fait froid dehors. Après ça, after that, je prends mon petit déjeuner. I have breakfast. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. Mon petit déjeuner. Je bois un café. I drink a coffee. Et je mange quelque chose de simple. And I eat something simple. Ensuite, je commence à travailler. Then I start working. À midi, je prends une petite pause. At noon, I take a short break. Je déjeune et je me repose un peu. I have lunch and I rest a little. Après la pause, after the break, je retourne au travail. I go back to work. Je me concentre. I focus. Je me concentre. I focus. Et je continue mes tâches. And I continue my tasks. L'après-midi, afternoon, je planifie mes projets et j'avance petit à petit. J'avance petit à petit. In the afternoon, I plan my projects and move forward, little by little. Petit à petit, little by little. L'après-midi, in the afternoon. En fin de journée. En fin de journée. At the end of the day, je termine mon travail. I finish my work. I finish my work. Le soir, in the evening. Je dîne. I have dinner. Et je me détends un peu. And I relax a little. Ensuite, je me prépare pour dormir. Then I get ready to sleep. Je me brosse les dents. Je me lave le visage et je me couche. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I go to bed. Finalement, je m'endors et la journée se termine. Finally, I fall asleep and the day ends. You know, we have a lot of verb pronominaux in this text. For example, je me réveille, je me lave, je me coiffe, je me maquille, je me brosse les dents. We have a lot of verb pronominaux, so you have to memorize them. It's very, very, very essential. I know at A1 level, maybe you are struggling with memorizing the verb pronominal or reflexive verbs, but without reflexive verbs, you cannot talk in French, especially when you want to talk about your day and what you did during the day. We had a lot of vocabulary here, like matin, morning, l'après-midi, midi, d'abord, first. Je me brosse les dents. Je me lave le visage. Salle de bain. Je me coiffe. Je me sèche les cheveux. Les cheveux, hair. Je me couche. Quoi d'autre? What else? We had déjeuner, petit déjeuner, dinner. Petit déjeuner, breakfast. Dinner, dinner. Déjeuner, lunch. I believe for English speakers, French is not very hard. That's for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try to memorize some phrases every day because when you are learning a language, you should memorize the sentences. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.